What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin with another video today. Let's be real. This is why most men cannot dress. And this is not your fault. It's just the way we was taught, the way we was brought up, and the things we didn't have. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down why and how to fix this. How to fix this for good. So we're gonna jump right into it. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. This channel is based on me helping men with their wardrobe and just feeling confidence in the clothes they wear. So you do not want to miss out. I also go over sneaker reviews and clothing brand reviews, all that good stuff. So if you big on fashion or have a better wardrobe, subscribe to this channel. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. J-Fam, they already locked in. Y'all up on game. We steady growing, steady rising. Y'all already know. So I just want to thank y'all for all the love and the support. And let's jump in this video. The reason why most men can't dress is because nobody really never taught us how to dress. Man, a lot of people, like, for instance, for myself, I didn't come up with a lot of money or my parents just buying anything I want. You know what I'm saying? So I had to actually just learn on my own. Of course, through internet, through school, friends, like friends from school, there's friends around me, my peers and everything. I just learned more and more. And everything that's trendy, or you think like a big brand and everything, like you just gotta have that. You don't. Just to stay in trend, just to dress nice. You know what I'm saying? Actually, me, I think being different is better. Whatever brand that was trending around school, I try to get it and just throw it on, no matter what it looked like. And honestly, that wasn't it. You just going off the trend or whatever brand you see, and that wasn't it. And it run out very quickly, and you look like everybody else. Sometimes it's cool just to have your own style. But as I learned this about color, the fit, what looked good on my body, proportion, and this everything, it just changed the game for me. So, like I said, when I was younger, I didn't have everything I wanted. You know what I'm saying? I even tried like the trendy brands. When I was younger, it was a point in time where Rough Rider, yes, like DMX brand was a thing. So I go and I just get the belt, the shirt, everything. Come to class and get roasted. But I thought I was clean. You know, it was part of the brand. But the way I put it together and me, it just didn't fit right. So, like I said, as I learned just the different style, different colors, how to just put this and that together and everything, my whole wardrobe and clothing ain't just changed. So in this video, if you experience the same thing, or say you experiencing right now, or you just trying to learn just how to dress better as a man, I got you. I understand. I was there. I'm about to help you. And not only that, it don't even have to be the big brands. I'm telling y'all ain't even have to spend a lot of money. So I'm about to help y'all. So let's jump into this. So the first thing why men can't dress is because you're going off what's trending right now. Now, I understand you can get some inspiration, but get what fits your body type. What's your style? What you like? What you know you can wear? What look good on your body? Just because they have on all polo or all these brands, that don't mean you have to put it on. Yeah, it might look good. Yeah, it might be trendy, but at the same time, you can have your own style. You can mix it up, you know? So that's the number one thing. That's one thing that men I know struggle with. And like I said, I was there before too, but I understand that it's even alternate brands, stuff that's better quality than the high end brands. So it just all depends on just what you're getting, how it fit on your body. You just have to find your style or that brand that actually represents you. Your presentation is your power. And to be honest, people treat you different when you keep yourself up, when you look good. You know what I'm saying? When you got decent clothes on. And I'm not saying it's a suit every day, but they can tell when pieces are put together pretty well. When you got a fresh cut, you take care of your skin. You know what I'm saying? Everything look good. Like, as a man, it's okay. It's not less masculine to look good. It's for yourself and how you present yourself in front of others, and they gonna see that. I'm telling y'all gonna get compliments. Men, if y'all single out there, women will definitely see it. A lot of men thinking if you focus too much on how you dress, it's like less masculine. But actually, if you look good, you feel good. You have to present yourself. This is like wearing a suit to an interview. You know you look presentable, they see it. So, you know, you about business. And that's what every day, you know what I'm saying, this what you put on. You just feel good. If you just throwing anything on and anything, people can actually tell, like, you just throw something on, like you just don't care. And I don't know about you, but I'm not saying you want to be noticed, but at the same time, you want to look like you really have confidence in yourself. You don't want to look all bummy and stuff like you just don't care. Because now then again, people they gonna see you like you just don't care, you know. And it's not even about other people, but it's just about yourself. Because deep down, you know, you want to have confidence in yourself. You want to feel good. So you have to look good. It have to match. Your inner self have to match your outer self. Get clothes that fit your body. Just because, you know what I'm saying, the styles like the baggy jeans and everything, you don't have to do that. You know, if you're a bigger guy, you know, if you wear bigger clothes, it's gonna make you look even big. Don't get it. You still can be in fashion and what's trending. You still can be what's trending in your size. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't get stuff just because it look good on them. No, it's a big shirt and you a skinny dude. Get you some slim fit, get you a regular fit. You don't have to go to baggy to streetwear. Maybe you like casual. It's all these different types and you can still be in trend. Like, get clothes that fit your body, that fit you, that look right. Now, that's why it's important for y'all to watch my videos, because y'all know I started off with simple pieces. You don't have to have the designer, have the big logos. Simple stuff. This sweater right here I have on. It have a little text on there, but it's simple, but it's still a clean, nice look. Like, look at the quality on there. Start with some simple pieces. Get you some basic white tees, but the good quality. Y'all know I say H&M, ASOS, all these places that have thick material. You can put this on with a good pair of pants, with some nice sneakers. Y'all know I always bring up Forces because Forces will never go out of style, but it give you that clean, nice look. Start with the basics first. Then you can start adding in other pieces. You start adding in a little flannel over the shirt, the jackets, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to do too much. I'm telling you, simple go a long way. Quiet luxury. They don't have to say much, but I'm telling you, the price tags on them pieces, you just know he well put together. It's probably simple plain, but y'all don't understand that jacket, that shirt costs a lot of money and it's good quality. Just because they don't have a big LV sign on there doesn't mean it's not good quality. It's not good material. Start with the simple stuff first. I'm telling you, that's your base layer. Simple pieces. My ebook is going to help you get clothes that fit your body. The pieces to get, the stores, and everything is going to be for a good budget. It's not even going to break the bank. What's better than that? So I'm telling y'all, cop that ebook. It's a blueprint for you. It's going to help you. Even for job interviews, even for like your confidence. Once you have confidence, you can go in these job interviews. You can go around your friends, public outings, and have confidence in yourself, and people will notice you. You could be talented, hardworking, smart. Appearance don't match your potential. People won't take you serious. Start making small changes. You'll be shocked. Your energy, confidence, opportunities will grow. I've seen it for myself. I'm telling you. Just walking in the room, your presence. People coming to you asking about you, build connection. You'll be surprised. This the small things. I'm not saying go out there, go to the mall and blow a bag on Louis V and all this other stuff. No, simple stuff. Simple stores like Shein, H&M, Boohoo Man, the simple stuff. And you can still look decent. If you watching this right now, I want to shake your hand because you care about your look. And that's very, very, very important. And that's a good thing because this is just not about clothes. It's about having confidence in yourself, how you carry yourself. And that's gonna show in your life period, around other people, your peers, at these job interviews, even business trips, around business people. This will help you.